When people cannot control you, they will destroy you. Remember that. People will only like you when you give what they want. If you want people to love you, then follow their wants and desires always. When you become who you truly are, then people will start to hate you. When you start to assert your boundaries, your space, your person, then people will not like you. Tandaan niyo po yan. Kung gusto mong mahalin ka ng iba, palagi mo silang pagbigyan. Pero kung gagawin mo naman yung gusto mo, asahan mo, hindi ka nila magugustuhan, kaiinisan ka at kamumuhian ka ng ibang tao. Amen? Halimbawa, kung palagi ka nagpapautang, mahal na mahal ka. Pero hindi ka lang magpautang, hindi mo lang mapagbigyan, napakasama mo na, sisiraan ka. Kapag sinusustentuhan mo ang iyong mga kamag-anak, binibigay mo yung request nila, bida ka. Pero pag meron silang hiningi, hindi mo mapagbigyan,